basically, yeah, this used to be this room. So these have been evened out to make average sizes.
We've got a lot of space now.
Yeah. So we're making the rooms more even because this was obviously a tiny room. So there'll be three even-sized doubles with
yeah, those
suites.
are obviously massive, aren't they?
And then that room up there is going to be a huge, massive kind of 7-bed with its own
And the
kitchenette.
stairs will run from.
So the stairs are going to be flipped around, so they'll come up this way, and the other stairs will go up that way to the top. So yeah, this one is a really great property because this is one of our newer ones. Purchase price is 180 and the actual value at the end when we're finished is going to be 455. It's a total rip out stage right now, so this is going to become a 7-bedroom HMO. We're also making like a studio apartment, so the top loft conversion that we're doing is going to have its own kitchen, so that doesn't need to be included in the meaning to get guide for downstairs. The communal space only needs to be for the, well, it would be 6 persons because it's 6 bedrooms, but some of them have got dual occupancy, so it means we can have couples in those rooms. So we're going to be making sure that we've got a nice big communal area with dining, kitchen and a bit of a lounge area as well on this one. So many amazing properties. There's never a point where there's not enough deals, and this is like a quarter of a mile from the city centre, and then there's universities and everything. It's just absolutely amazing. It gives us all our money out plus loads of money extra and a really high cash flow. And this is just the kind of stuff that we train people to do every day. So you can do it for yourself. Like if I can do it, you can.